Hey, curious minds! Next, we will dive into the amazing world of leaves, those green wonders that make plants tick. Every kind of plant has its own kind of leaf. Leaves have different shapes and sizes. They helps the plant to make its own food. That is why it is called the food factory or kitchen of the plant. Come, let's uncover the secrets of leaves and its parts. A leaf has many parts. Meet the leaf blade, the big, flat part that loves soaking up sunlight. This is the broad, flat part of the leaf that captures sunlight for photosynthesis. It's like the solar panel of the leaf, absorbing light energy. Next comes margin. The margin of a leaf refers to its outer edge. It can have different shapes, such as smooth, serrated, with teeth, or lobed, with rounded or pointed projections. The margin plays a role in identifying different plant species and may also affect how the leaf interacts with its environment. Next, let's talk about veins. Veins are like the leaf's highways, with many lines running across the lamina. The main vein, running down the middle of the leaf, is like the main road and is called the main vein or midrib. Branching out from it are the side veins, like smaller streets called side veins. These veins form an intricate network of tiny tubes that run through the leaf. They act as the leaf's own circulatory system, transporting water, nutrients, and sugars to and from the leaf. The part that connects the branch to the leaf is called the leaf stalk or the petiole. It is like the leaf's lifeline, providing support and allowing it to receive water and nutrients. Let's talk about stipules. Stipules are small, leaf-like structures often found at the base of a leaf where it meets the stem. They can have different shapes and sizes, and they provide support or protection for the leaf. Now, we move on to stomata. These tiny openings are on the underside of the leaves. They help the plants to breathe. They allow the plant to take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and release oxygen and water vapor. Now it's time to dive deeper. Let's uncover even more fascinating roles that leaves play in the life of plants. I.e. the functions of a leaf. Leaves are called the food factory or the kitchen of a plant because they make food for the plant. A green leaf makes food for the plant using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. The process is called photosynthesis. A leaf cannot make food if any of these things is missing. Sunlight is trapped by chlorophyll, a substance present in the leaves. Leaves get water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. Leaves give out oxygen during photosynthesis. This gas is essential for the survival of all living beings. Next, we have gas exchange. Leaves have tiny pores called stomata that allow for the exchange of gases. Plants take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and release oxygen and water vapor into the atmosphere. It's like the leaf's way of breathing. Next comes transpiration, which is another important function of leaves. It's the process by which water evaporates from the surface of leaves, helping to cool the plant and create suction that pulls water and nutrients up from the roots. It's like the leaf's cooling system. Some leaves have unique storage structures, such as succulent leaves that store water or bulbous leaves that store energy reserves. They act like the leaf's pantry, storing extra supplies for when they're needed. Additionally, certain leaves store food, like cabbage, spinach, fenugreek, mint, and lettuce, which we commonly use as vegetables. Next, let's explore how leaves protect themselves from harm. Leaves have clever ways of defending themselves against threats like hungry herbivores and harsh environmental conditions. Some leaves have built-in defenses, like thorns and spines, that make them less appetizing to animals looking for a snack. It's like having a prickly armor. Additionally, the waxy cuticle covering the surface of leaves helps to prevent water loss and protect against pests and pathogens. But wait, there's more. Leaves also help plants breathe by taking in carbon dioxide from the air and giving out oxygen. They're like green lungs for the planet. So, budding explorers, leaves are not just pretty decorations on plants. They're superheroes. They provide shade, cool the air, and filter out pollutants, creating a healthier and more comfortable environment. Next, we will explore the versatility of leaves and how they're used in countless ways beyond just being part of a plant. First off, let's talk about food. Leaves are not just food for plants, they're food for us too. From crispy lettuce in salads to fragrant basil in pasta sauce, leaves add flavor and nutrition to our meals. But wait, there's more. Leaves also have medicinal properties and are used in traditional herbal medicine. Whether it's a soothing cup of chamomile tea or a eucalyptus inhalation for a stuffy nose, leaves have healing powers. And let's not forget about arts and crafts. Leaves are nature's canvases, perfect for leaf rubbings, leaf pressing, and creating beautiful decorations. They're like nature's art supplies. Plus, leaves are eco-friendly superheroes. When they fall to the ground, they become valuable organic material for composting, enriching soil and nourishing plants. Also, leaves are nature's air purifiers and temperature regulators. They provide shade, cool the air, and filter out pollutants, creating a healthier and more comfortable environment for everyone. In various cultures, leaves are used in traditional rituals. Also, palm and coconut leaves provide shelter as rooftops and mats to banana leaves serving as eco-friendly plates in southern India. Leaves are essential elements in traditional practices and cultural rituals. Next, welcome to the wonderful world of flowers, where beauty meets functionality. Flowers grow on the stems and branches of mature plants. The colorful part of the flower is called the petal. They make the plant look beautiful. They are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. Most of the flowers have fragrance. In some flowers, a sweet-smelling substance called nectar is found. They both attract insects. Some common examples are rose, sunflower, hibiscus, jasmine, and lily. Next, let's delve into the functions of the flower. Firstly, flowers serve as nature's mechanism for ensuring plant reproduction. Most flowers develop into fruits, containing seeds within them, which germinate to initiate the growth of a new plant. Some flowers like cauliflower and broccoli are used as vegetables as they store food. Next comes fruits. Fruits are an essential part of flowering plants and serve several important functions in the plant's life cycle. Some fruits are fleshy and sweet. Example: apple, mango and banana, while some fruits are used as vegetables. Example: tomato, ladyfinger and pumpkin. Here are some key aspects of fruits and their functions. Fruits have seeds inside them, and provide protection to them. Some fruits have only one seed inside them, such as mango, plum, cherry, peach and lychee. Some fruits have few inside them, as apple, orange, lemon, and pear. Fruits such as papaya, watermelon, guava, and pomegranate have many seeds. Next we'll explore the functions of fruits and their significance in the plant kingdom. First and foremost, fruits play a crucial role in seed dispersal. But fruits aren't just vehicles for seed dispersal, they also provide protection for the developing seeds. In some plants, fruits serve as nutrient reservoirs for the developing embryo within the seed. The fleshy tissue of fruits often contains sugars, vitamins, and minerals that nourish the growing seedling when it germinates. Many fruits are brightly colored and emit enticing aromas to attract animals, which play a crucial role in seed dispersal. Fruits are intimately connected to the process of plant reproduction. They develop from the ovary of the flower after successful pollination and fertilization. The seeds contained within the fruit carry the genetic material necessary for producing new plants. Now comes the mesmerizing world of seeds, where the miracle of life begins. Let's uncover the fascinating functions of seeds and their vital role in the plant kingdom. First and foremost, seeds are nature's ingenious method of propagation. They carry the potential to develop into a new plant, ensuring the continuation of the species. We eat some seeds such as beans, corn and rice as our food. We also eat some seeds such as pepper and cumin as spices. Seeds of rice, wheat and maize are called cereals. Seeds of Bengal gram, chickpeas, and lentils are called pulses. Cereals and pulses form an important part of our diet. A seed stores food for the baby plant. We'll explore the captivating process of germination and the key stages involved. Germination is the process by which a seed grows into a new plant. Plants grow from the seeds. When a seed is buried into the soil, the baby plant inside it starts growing into a new plant when it gets the right amount of water, sunlight and air. Germination starts with activating a dormant seed by the presence of water, oxygen, and suitable temperatures. As the seed imbibes water, it swells and breaks through its protective coat, signaling the beginning of growth. The first part to emerge is the radicle, the embryonic root of the plant. It grows downward into the soil, anchoring the seedling and absorbing nutrients. Simultaneously, the shoot emerges above the soil surface, carrying with it the cotyledons, which nourish the young plant. With the emergence of the cotyledons, the seedling begins photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy to fuel further growth. Over time, the seedling grows taller, with roots exploring the soil for water and nutrients, and leaves expanding to capture sunlight. From the humble beginnings of a seed to the beauty of a flourishing plant, germination is truly nature's masterpiece. As we conclude our journey through the marvels of plants, let us remember the profound significance of this process in the circle of life. If you enjoyed this section and found it informative, please consider liking, supporting, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications, and stay tuned for more captivating videos on nature's wonders. Thank you for sharing in this celebration of life. Your support keeps us inspired to bring you more enriching content. Until next time, may your days be filled with the beauty of growth and renewal.